How to save outfits on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Roblox on a device. Then tap on avatar at the bottom menu. Now simply select your character. Then tap on customize. Now edit your character tracing. You can also change colors and clothings. Now once you're done, simply tap on characters. Then tap on the gear icon. Now you can simply save as new or update existing character. Now enter the name and tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.